Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. Ayan, sige, aura. Aura lang. Sige, hindi ka ba makapapagod yan kakapost? Ayan, for today's episode, halatang halata naman. In the title, we're going to do the Kilay. Ayan. Okay, so let's begin. I'm going to take my brow pencil from Benefit, the goof proof one. Yan yung recently na ginagamit ko for my kilay. Ayan, so I'm just gonna take the pencil part, but first I'm going to take the spoolie part of the pencil and then brush the hair para alam mo kung saan ka magdo-drawing later on, so you can see where the gaps are at. Yung may mga walang hair, ganun. Ayan, so first of all, bago ako maglagay ng product, I take a small mirror where I can see my brows better. Ayan, so, asan na yung mirror, te? Ang tagal. Ayan. So, you're gonna start in the middle part of your kilay, sa may taas. Idodraw mo lang yung arch na gusto mo. Kung pag kontento ka na, you can move on to the bottom. Ayan. So, i-draw mo lang yung outline. Outline talaga, te. When you're done, you can continue with the pencil and just brush through it. Don't put too much product kung ayaw mo kupapal yung kilay mo. I'm gonna take the pomade from Benefit also. Salamat sa nagbigay. That was a Christmas gift for me. I really, really love this. It's really nice. Yung application niya, you just need to put a little. A little goes a long way. Kalat mo lang yung product doon sa may mga gaps ng hair mo para mas natural looking. Put too much product. Yan, ikalat mo lang siya doon sa may natural hair sa may front side of your eyebrows. Ikalat mo lang siya. Bless you. Okay, so you're just gonna brush it with the spoolie. Brush mo lang siya. Brush. Ayan, para mas maging natural looking siya. Para hindi masyadong aggressive yung itsura ng kilay mo. Okay, so continuing in the other side, you're just basically going to do the same thing na ginawa mo sa kabilang side. So, yan, i-outline mo lang. Yung ganyan. I-outline mo lang siya. I think I kind of messed up in this side, but it's okay. I cleaned it up naman. Alam nyo na yan, nasabi ko na yan. Kailangan pa bang i-memorize yan? Huwag lang kayong masyadong makapal maglagay dahil, my God, tipid-tipid pag may time. You don't have to put too much. Hindi nyo naman kailangan masyadong lagyan ng napakakapal na product para lang makita yung kilay mo. Magmumukha kang kilay niyan. Mas maganda tignan kapag natural lang yung kilay mo. I mean, alam mo yung pakak siya, pero hindi siya ganun kagalit. Brush mo lang siya with the spoolie. And the next step would be the concealer. So, moving on to the concealer na tayo mga te. Okay, so the brow itself, the pomade comes with its own concealer. But you can use another kind of concealer. It doesn't matter as long as you have a brush to blend. You're just gonna put it in kung saan mo gustong linisan yung brows mo. Naturally, dyan naman talaga naglalagay ng concealer. Ayan, so ikakalat mo lang yung concealer na nilagay mo, yung wherever you want it to be clean. Ayan, okay, so after natin mag-blend, maglalagay naman tayo ng brow gel. You can use any brow gel that you guys have already, or you don't really have to put it, pero it's better to just make it last for a long time para pag lalabas ka, hindi huhulas yung kilay mo. Ayan, so after that, we are done. Tapos na tayo sa kilay. there you guys have it. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys like it. Subscribe and share this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.